Hey, got another big announcement. Over the past 22 years, myself personally and my team, we've helped thousands of patients, and we've got so much inquiry. People asking us, "Hey, Jimmy, I love what you're doing, but I can't make it to your clinic. So what can I do? Is there anything that I can do at home and for myself and my family, my friends, that can help me start going back towards the wellness direction, start going back to the direction of regaining my health?" And finally, I'm super excited to announce that we are going to start releasing some guidebooks that information that I have taught for the past 22 years. And my team now teaches patients in our clinic strategies, lifestyle habits, acupressure, what foods to eat, all of those things. What can you do at home to start building a good, restorative, a more wellness type of lifestyle to regain that quality of life? So we have created some guidebooks. And the first one I'm excited to release is an Acupressure for Balancing Your Organ Guidebook. Let me show you. So I'm super excited to release our very first acupressure guidebook. I've never done this before, so this is the first time we're doing this. This is going to be a foundational. I will be creating multiple guidebooks. This is acupressure based on traditional Chinese medicine, TCM. This is acupressure that actually myself and my team of acupuncturists that we learned from Chinese medical school, balancing your organs through the five elements: water, wood, fire, earth, metal. You can see it goes over all the elements. Each element corresponds to a specific organ. In this guidebook, I go through every single element and which organ systems it corresponds to, what's the function, why is it important to you, why do you need to balance it, what happens when this specific, for example, this wood element, when it's not balanced, what do you feel? Well, you feel irritable, frustrated, easily angered. You feel tension in the body, digestive issues, resistance to change. Do you feel any of this? If you experience any of these symptoms, guess what? Your wood element is imbalanced. So if you don't want to continue to experience these symptoms, guess what you should do? You should balance your wood element. Well, how do you do that? Well, you have to balance your liver and your gallbladder organ system. Well, how do you do that? Right? All of that is listed in this guidebook. So if you want access to this guidebook, comment below guidebook, and my team will send you a link to get free access. I know other acupuncturists on social media, they're charging for these guidebooks. I'm making this one free for everybody. So if your wood element is imbalanced, guess what? Then you need to balance your liver and gallbladder. Well, how do you do that? I've got my top 3 acupressure points that my team and I have personally told patients in the past when I was treating patients. These are the pressure points you can do at home. And I've also got lifestyle modifications. What lifestyle modifications do you need to make that can help you rebalance your liver and gallbladder by yourself with simple daily habits? What foods? I give you a list of foods. I even give you recipes. So I do that for all of the 5 elements. Then not only do I give you the 5 elements, you may be wondering, okay, the acupressure, I'm more curious about the acupressure. Well, guess what? I got you covered. If you're following me on social media, you know I do all these videos about acupressure. So at the bottom of this guidebook, I've got the actual acupressure points that I listed above for every organ system. The video tutorial, if you click that link, it will take you to the video of me showing you how to locate it. How cool is that? So that's this guidebook. If you are curious, if you have struggling with chronic health issues and you're getting nowhere and no one's helping you, or whether you have already done changes to your lifestyle, changes to your diet, exercise, but nothing's helping, let's start building a foundation. This guidebook is not going to solve everything. This first guidebook is only to provide you with the first layer of the foundation. There are many layers to the foundation of your health. If health was easy, everybody would be healthy, right? But it can be simple. It doesn't have to be hard. And if you follow this guidebook step by step, I list out exactly what to do to build that first layer foundation. It's TCM acupressure. After you've implemented that, then you'll be ready in a few months. You may be ready for the next layer of foundation. I will have another guidebook with my QRA, which is completely different from TCM acupressure. QRA is quick restorative acupressure, something I created and something you will never find in any Chinese medicine book acupuncture book. No other acupuncturist will tell you about it. The only people who know how to do my QRA is my team in my clinic. But that's for another story. So this is about first layer foundation. Comment guidebook in the comments below, and my team will send you a link to get free access to this.